You are watching Car Essentials, and in this video, we're gonna show you the top 5 best dash cams for cars in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, we picked the 5 models that will meet the need of every type of consumer. We arrange these products on basis of their price, quality, durability and more. We also have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the latest prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 5, Garmin Dash Cam Mini, also known as the most compact dash cam for the car you can find on the market in 2021. If you want a dash cam that you can just set up and forget about, look no further than the Garmin Dash Cam Mini. This camera is about the size of a car key and sticks up just behind your mirror, or anywhere else you might want to place it. There is no screen on the back, so you can't see what the camera is filming, but the 140-degree field of view is wide enough to capture anything in the general direction it's pointing. 140 degrees is barely acceptable in this category, but it is still acceptable. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for viewing clips and moving them to your phone. If you're using the Garmin app, you can view multiple feeds, if you have multiple cameras, at the same time, which is pretty neat. There is no SD card included, so you will need to purchase one separately. Also, you can purchase a cable kit designed to wire to your car's power so you can keep the camera on and recording while the car is powered off. Number 4, Kenwood DRV-A301W Dash Cam. This dash cam has a great display and you can find on the market in 2021. The Kenwood DRV-A301W has a mouthful of a name, but it has some nifty features you might like. The camera comes with built-in Wi-Fi so you can connect the camera to your smartphone. That's nice, but the app, itself, isn't the greatest. It's not very intuitive to use and file transfer can be a bit slow. The instructions are a little hard to read since they're in a small font. That may or may not bother you. What you get from this camera are really great images. It comes equipped with Auto HDR, which can help prevent images from being overexposed and make them easier to see at night. All of those images look great on the 2.7-inch screen on the back of the device. You get only a 136-degree field of view, which is not the best for this industry. But the camera comes with a suction cup and double-sided tape mounting options, meaning it can fit just about anywhere in your vehicle. Number 3, Thinkware Q800 Pro. Also known as high-resolution dash cam for a car you can find on the market in 2021. If you want a dash cam that does absolutely everything but 4K, the Thinkware Q800 Pro is for you. As well as shooting in high-quality 1440p with advanced night vision, the camera also has a wide range of safety features. These include speed camera alerts, lane departure, and forward collision warnings, and a system for alerting you when the vehicle ahead moves off, saving you from an awkward beep by the driver behind. Wide dynamic range and auto exposure help to keep footage clear in harsh or low lighting, and everything is shot through a 140-degree lens. A second rear-facing dash cam is an optional extra, too. And if you hardwire the Q800 Pro to your car, giving it a permanent power source from the battery, there's a smart parking mode to record incidents while parked. Because it lacks a display, the Thinkware Q800 Pro has a more subtle design than most dash cams, hugging your windscreen and fitting neatly below or behind the rearview mirror. Designed to be a permanent addition to your car, the camera sticks to the screen and works best when hardwired, so there's no quick way to switch it between multiple vehicles. Number 2, Garmin Dash Cam 66 watts. Also known as the best wide-angle dash cam for cars you can find on the market in 2021. The Garmin Dash Cam 66 watts is the replacement for a previous favorite dash cam of ours, the Garmin 55. It retains its predecessor's compact size and ease of use, but increases the field of view from 122 degrees to 180 degrees, giving a far broader view of the front of your car and the road ahead. Also new is HDR video recording, to help retain detail and high-contrast lighting, while a Wi-Fi connection to your smartphone and the free Garmin Drive app means that you can connect up to 4 cameras at once and synchronize the video they shoot, giving a 360-degree view around your car. Battery life is just 30 minutes without plugging into your car's power socket, but if you opt for a hardwired professional install the camera, or cameras, will stay on when parked, then record if someone carelessly bumps into your car while parking or driving past. Number 1. Z3G Z3G Dash Cam, also known as the overall best dash cam for cars you can find on the market in 2021. One of the best dash cams you can get comes from Z3G. If you don't look too closely, it almost looks like a normal point-and-shoot camera with a large lens on the front and a 2.7-inch screen on the back. The camera can grab crystal clear HD footage, though doing so takes up a lot of space. There is no onboard storage, so purchasing an SD card up to 256 GB is necessary. The controls on the camera are very easy to use. The camera comes with a surveillance mode. When the car is parked, and the camera detects motion, it captures approximately 30 seconds of video, just in case anything happens. But the battery life on the camera is fairly short, lasting around 10 minutes on a charge. Dash cams are meant to be continuously powered by the power outlet in your car, so the battery is only for when the car is off, but still, we'd like to see longer life, especially for cars left outside overnight. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below. All dash cams are available on Amazon. You can check the price by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.